Can I get a cell phone number for you guys?
On March 31st, 2025, WSP troopers were in Port Gamble investigating a collision when the following incident occurred.
Jeez, watch out. This guy's gonna hit us. Yeah, watch out. 966 running collision traffic. We just had a car go through the 90-degree when you fired. Charles Paul Nora 7633 and maybe county, please.
766 028.
Hey, you good?
Talk to me.
I'll be in route from 303 Sheridan.
Hey! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, crawl up here to us.
I did not realize there was two in there.
Yeah, we didn't realize that was you. Come on. No.
He's not going anywhere. He's in a front-wheel drive Civic.
Under over that we're not completely in the right state of mind.
Probably not in the right state of mind.
100%. I do a white in front of that car over there.
Damn.
On the escape. You all right?
Yeah.
What happened?
You tell. Man. I was just coming.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
that. Saw you coming. You were coming fast.
A little bit. Yeah, I guess so.
You were flying. How fast do you think you were going?
I mean,
I'm just glad
you tell me.
I'm just glad you didn't hit us.
Exactly. Yeah, that turn, bro.
Hey, did you see the flashing lights by chance?
I didn't know that turn, and then as soon as I saw the flashing lights, I was like, oh, slow down, and then.
All right, well, let's walk over here because the way you're going, I don't want you to fall back down the hill.
I know, yeah.
So tell me about your night. You look like you're having a hard time walking a little bit. You might have had a drink or two, maybe?
No, I'll be honest, man. I've had a few drinks, but
it was hard to tell. Come on, head
no,
over to the white car.
that turn though, yeah. And as soon as I saw it, yeah.
All right, I'm just going to help you out because you're a little unsteady on your feet.
No, I mean, yeah, I'm good enough, but yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's start out. Do we have a... Relax, man. You're okay.
No, I know.
We're going to have an ambulance come check you out. You got your ID on you by chance?
Damn, man.
How did you clear that?
Just shot thread of the needle. You can see.
Wow.
You can see the marks right here.
Literally. You don't mind doing a couple voluntary field sobriety tests, do you?
Okay. I've seen.
They're voluntary.
Exactly, and I've seen a lot of. I'm just gonna be honest. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, and I don't trust that. Okay,
yeah.
So I'm not gonna do any.
Okay.
If you think I'm drunk, go ahead.
Let me tell you something. I have to make a decision based on what I see.
Exactly.
You've been like a totally nice guy so far. So here's my concern, though. Right?
Okay.
I'm gonna be straight with you, right?
Exactly. I up. Like,
well, yeah,
that's fair enough, but like,
you made mention of the fact you had some beer.
Yeah.
Right. You're kind of stumbling all over the place. Your eyes are bloodshot and watery.
Yeah.
You almost took us out.
Oh, of course, yeah. I know. Like,
and I'll be honest, I can smell a lot of alcohol coming off you.
That's fair enough, sir.
Right? So, I mean, I understand if you're going with the YouTube recommendation of not taking any voluntary tests.
And that's where I'm at because I've seen plenty of people that they're totally sober and they still get arrested. Right. So it's like,
but in your case, you're not totally sober.
Exactly. Of course, sir. I'm gonna leave it up to you.
I'm just grateful you're not hurt. Too bad.
Exactly.
Right?
So yeah.
Do me a favor. Turn around.
Yeah. Whatever you want to do.
Put your hands behind your back. Okay. You're under arrest for DUI.
Okay.
Turn around, sir.
All right, sir. That's fair enough.
Well, like I said, you're a heck of a nice guy, but we kind of made a mistake tonight.
Absolutely, sir. I did. I absolutely did.
I think we could just be grateful that nobody got hurt bad.
At the conclusion of the investigation, the subject was arrested for DUI and reckless endangerment. and booked into the Kitsap County Jail.
A very uncomfortable experience to have that car ripping by us.